Pepe holders, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. Without further ado, let's get right into today's topic. Really understand what's happening and what we could be expecting. As we did see over the last few hours, the market did pick up, especially for some meme coins. But it looks like all those gains that you did see the likes of Pepe and some of the other meme coins make just completely getting wiped out. And this is part of the game, guys. This is cryptocurrency. You do tend to see market volatility, and this is why I try to tell you guys how important it is to pay very close attention to Bitcoin on a day-to-day basis. So I'm going to give you guys a little bit more visuals when I pull out the charts to see what's really happening. But as you can see right now across the board, we are seeing a sea of red. Pepe down 10.1% with the price currently sitting at 12.12, still 4 zeros in front of the price. Also down 9% in Bitcoin and about 5% in Ethereum comparative. Now, if you're looking at the valuation, 5.1 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about $1 billion. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So let's really take a look at the overall holder count, 397,760 holders. So again, day by day increase on that side of things. But if you're looking across the board right now, for the broader meme coin, the valuation for the meme coin market combined total down 10% over the last 24 hours. So if you really want to put this into perspective, we're sitting below $100 billion in terms of the market cap, which again is not a small move. You're looking at major pullbacks for the meme coin market. And if you're looking across the board, double-digit drop, of course, over the last 7 days, and even in the last 24 hours, you are seeing literally the broader market down double digits. A lot of fear across the board right now. But in terms of an opportunity stand-up, there's a lot of opportunity out there right now. For multiple different coins. So yes, there is a lot of bloodbath, but if you've done your due diligence research and are wanting to invest where you can afford to lose, then I think when there is a sea of red, that is a good time rather than picking it up when it has pumped 30, 40, 50% already. So that's what's happening right now. But could the meme coin market go lower? Are we about to see the month of February be bearish month rather than a bullish month? You can argue the beginning of the year, January, was not completely bearish. There were some coins that popped off quite a bit. Some coins held on to their overall momentum really nicely. But could the month of February be the first month of obviously the year of 2025 to be bearish? Possibly, because of course there's a lot of external things that obviously we need to keep in mind, especially the tariff conversation that's really occurring, which can impact the crypto markets and also the stock market. And right now it has to be an impact in crypto markets. But right now, as I've discussed in my H-bar update, if you did end up watching that, we need to obviously take it step by step. Obviously, we need to remember we're in a weekend. On the weekends, more manipulation than usual because CME futures are closed. So it's really going to be interesting to see how the market reacts Monday and onwards, into the week. But if you're looking at the dominance index, look, it has picked up. It pretty much is back where it was. And this is why I was telling you guys, you don't really want to be getting super excited because dominance is still high. So we really need to take it step by step. And if you're looking at Bitcoin, guys, Bitcoin is literally hanging on at the neckline of the $100,000. Now, I want you guys to understand this. Literally at the neckline of the $100,000 key support, if this loses, we could be going down to that $97,100 level that we retested on the 27th. And again, if we lose that support, downside could be in play. And, we could actually end up going all the way down to the 92.5. And again, that would not come as a surprise to me. Looking at Pepe right now. Looking at the price, of course, we saw that beautiful bounce yesterday up to 1460. Literally nailed it with the target that I spoke to you guys about. We literally retested and, of course, got rejected, but so did the broader market. Things that we need to consider. That was a move of about 27%, but we're back pretty much where we left off of, and the exact same support we have discussed in the past is playing out for us. So, are we about to lose this support? That might be the question that you probably have right now. Are we about to lose this support and start retesting some levels we haven't seen since November? The 77.34 zone, quite a sharp drop from where we currently are. And again, that is a 35% pullback. If we lose this support, could that really be a realistic target to be looking out for? Yes, because let me tell you right now, if you drop below the level that I've discussed with you guys, which we kind of got supported by at the 27th, which again we nailed it with the targets. If that drops, yes, we do have some support around the 95.43 zone, but pretty much it could start heading down to the 80.06 zone, because that is a major level of support. And I think then other support in between is not extensive, not strong enough. So this would be something that I would be looking out for Pepe if dominance shoots up to a new yearly high, as well as of course Bitcoin were to flush down to these levels or possibly even lower. This could be a reality. There's a lot of conversations from a lot of analysts saying we are going to see some bearish price action, some even calling that the price of Bitcoin to be below the 23.6, because I mentioned this in my H bar update. We haven't left the 23.6 since November. Yes, so we have seen several wicks below, but price managed to pick up quite fast. But is this the time where we actually see the market seeing a major pullback? Because we haven't really seen that since November. It's been quite bullish. As far as the broader market is concerned, would the institutions allow this to happen, or is the institutional money going to be enough to keep the price within the 23.6? That's what we're going to see. But if that happens, that could be a major pullback for the markets, and there's already such a major pullback for the markets over the last few weeks. So things could get worse, in my opinion. I don't really like talking about these types of things, but you guys know on the Crypto ZX channel, we keep it 100% realistic. Right now, this is definitely a possibility, because dominance is not showing any signs of slowing down, and Bitcoin is on the shaky end of the spectrum. So I want you guys to analyze it from that perspective. Let me know down below what you guys personally think. Do you guys agree with this overall take? Do you guys disagree completely? Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all your support. We'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace.